So I think we got our blue down pat. The next thing I want to do is go ahead and add some black around everything to kind of bring it together a little bit more. And I don't want to put the black over top of the blue. I want to butt it right next to the blue. Now what I'm going to do while I'm doing this is I'm going to show you two different styles of outlining. You got the regular outline style, and then you got another sharp, jagged outline style that's a little bit more easier and a little bit more rugged look. So it's really nothing but just sharp dagger strokes. I'm going to incorporate some of those in too. And it just kind of enhances the graphic a little bit. Sometimes you want to kind of flip it up. You got customers that want something a little different, something a little bit more unique. You can jag it up a little bit. So I'm going to do half jag and then half